Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about my favorite animals. Actually, I would have to say that I'm not much a fan of animals, but I used to very love Mickey and my best friends. When I was children, my house fed up a dog. His name was Mickey. Mickey lived with my family 10 years ago. His feather was yellow and brown. His eyes were black. His tail was very soft because it was lost half past by an accident. Thing gave me impression about him. A tangle with black spot to prove that he was a grave dog. Every morning when I went to school and my parents went to work, he relied on a volunteer to keep my house. Whenever the strange people visited my house, he barked. In afternoon, we came back home. He wagged his tail. He summed up to lick my arms, my legs. When I ate, I got some food for him. He also had another talent, is cast mice. Because of his intelligence, my family would consider him as a member in my house. In Auntie, Mickey was uh, seriously ill. Although I take care of him very carefully, my mother gave him to drink medicine, but his health wasn't better. Mickey only liked fresh. He doesn't eat. His eyes were turbid red. He saw me a Segway. Then he died. I cried so much. Um, my mother entered his in the garden. After that, I have kept my need talk, but I have never forgotten Mickey.